Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I wasn't even planning on filming today, but it is so beautiful out. We woke up and there is just a thick fog all over this entire city, and I had to take advantage and come shoot photos. So I thought I would take you guys along. I am going to be doing some Instacart today, so I'm going to kind of go back and forth, but my first stop was a cemetery. I've been wanting to shoot more in cemeteries again. I used to all the time, and I haven't in so long, and like these conditions are literally perfect. So here we are. We are in the cemetery. I'm so excited. I literally used to come here like every day in high school, and this is my first time here in, dare I say, years. My favorite cemetery. I am so excited. I like instantly had to pull over to shoot some photos. I have half of a roll of film currently in this camera, which I think the good wide angle is gonna look fantastic. I'm gonna play around with some flash and just some regular photos. So let's see. I'm on shot 17 out of 24. Maybe I don't have that many left. I thought I was like halfway. Anyways, I'm gonna take lots of pictures on my phone too, so I just, like I said, I had to take advantage of this day. Like, what? So anyways, let's go shoot some photos. Oh my gosh, so like I said, I used to come to the cemetery all the time. I forgot that there is a pet cemetery in the back. Oh my gosh, this is so sad, but it's like so crazy to me that we have a pet cemetery. Also, is it a speaker? It's a little spooky, I'm not gonna lie. Are you guys seeing this tree right now? I mean, obviously, the conditions in general are just so beautiful, but every tree looks so fucking cool and spooky, and this one looks like it's like dripping. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just so excited. There's also a ton of big-ass birds here. Like, this truly could not be more of a vibe today. I am stunned. It is so cold, as you guys can tell from my cheeks and my nose. My hands are literally frozen, but I don't want to stop. But I also have like maybe one photo left on my camera. It's just, it's been way too long since I've come into a cemetery, and I'm truly thriving right now. It's so pretty. Oh, the big vultures flying around, the crows, the fog. This is so good. Now, what I'm finding even crazier is that no one is here. It's like almost 10 a.m. and there was one guy who came like with his dog to the other cemetery, but I have not seen a single soul here. Like, anyways, if you're in St. Louis, if you just drive down Gravaway, there's a ton of cemeteries along the one like same road. Oh, that's an old headstone. Hold on. Put in reverse, Terry. All I have to say is that if you see some crazy, beautiful weather that is out of the ordinary, whether that be fog, whether that be snow, sunrise, sunset, any sort of conditions that isn't just middle of the day blue skies, get your ass out and shoot, because that's how you get the coolest and some of the best photos, in my opinion. And I mean, like today, no one else is out for some odd reason, so this is just crazy. Look at this fucking headstone. Look how old that is, and it has the photos on it. Wow. Hello friends, it's another day, and I don't know where we left off, if I'm being honest, but you know, these vlogs are very random. I'm trying to vlog as much as I possibly can in December, and today we're gonna be starting on some DIY Christmas presents. Now, I am doing like a commission piece that's not necessarily a present, but it had me realize like, oh, I actually have a few paintings that I need to do. In previous years, I've done just like regular paintings, but I thought that it would be a lot more special if I did pet portraits for my family. So I'm gonna be doing one for Chris's mom. I'm gonna be doing one for my parents, my mom and my stepdad, and then also one for my dad and my stepmom. So those are the ones that I have to make. So there's gonna be 3 different ones that I do as presents, but at least for tonight, I'm gonna try and paint the one commission piece so that I can get it shipped out tomorrow, because I told her I would get that shipped out pretty quickly. But while I'm at it, I'm at least gonna kind of sketch out what I wanna do for the other ones. So I just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along. I'm not always the best at filming myself doing art, so we'll see how this goes. But the commission piece that I'm doing is for a girl who has 2 cats, and she said that they usually like to sit in the window together, so my idea is to make almost this whole canvas the window that they're sitting in, and just kind of put, I can't decide which way I'm gonna have them facing, because I usually do like, you know, the front sides, but it might be really cute to have them like looking out the window, because that would be more natural anyways. But I hope I can still make it look like her cat's enough, you know what I mean? I'm going to be doing obviously family's pets for all the other ones. I don't fully know what kind of scene to put them in. I have a good idea. I'm not, I think for Chris's mom's, hers is probably gonna be the only one I don't show, because she does watch my videos. Hey Mama Steph, if you're watching, I don't want to give it away. I guess let's go ahead and get started on the very first one. Y'all, I swear, when I turned into a cat mom and more of like a cat person than a dog person, I did in like every possible way, because when I was a kid, I used to draw dogs all the time, and I swear I like don't know how to draw dogs anymore. I struggled a lot with this pet painting that I did for one of my good friends who has 4 dogs. I just squeezed 4 dogs into her painting, and I was like, I've never even painted a dog before. And now trying to do my mom's dog and Chris's mom's dog is really posing to be just really hard for me. So cats, no problem. I can draw a cat in like 2 seconds and make it look perfectly fine. But like a dog, I don't know. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys my sketches though. So this is how it turned out for my friend that I'm doing the commission for. I think it looks so cute how they're sitting in the window. I still haven't decided which way they're technically facing, but we'll figure that out. But yeah, I decided I'm gonna do like lights around the window and just one little plant hanging in the window, and then I'll add some things to the windowsill as well. We'll just kind of see, but I wanted to keep this one a little more simple. And then this is the one I'm doing for my mom. Please don't, I mean, my style is very cartoony anyways, but like, I'm just really struggling. I don't feel like that looks good. Like, this looks like a fucking 5-year-old drew this, so hopefully this turns out better once I actually go in with paint and add all the detail and stuff. I might have to look up some tutorials on like how to paint dogs. We'll see. Anyways, this is the one that I'm doing for my dad and my stepmom, and I mean technically even my brother too, because it's like their family cats, but they have one who's a little bit bigger. Her name is Dixie. She's always laying down. And then Alice is their tiny little white one who is super shy. I don't know. I think this is really cute. Again, I went pretty simple. I might add like a rug under them or something, but I think that this looks really good for now. This is a great base. And then I'm not going to show you the one for Chris's mom because I want that to be a surprise for her. But that's what I have so far. I think I'm going to take a break, make some dinner, and then I'll come back to you whenever I'm painting. And I'll probably, I think I'm going to do these two. Wait, no, I picked up the wrong one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint both of the cat ones tonight because I tend to use the same colors and I really hate to waste paint, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the cat ones together and then the two dogs probably not tonight. I don't think I'm gonna be able to bust out 4 paintings in one night. 2 is already kind of a stretch, but I think these are both simple enough that I can definitely do it, and the dog ones I will tackle another day when I am more mentally prepared to paint a fucking dog. I mean, like, this is, part of me is like, it's cute, and then the other part of me is like, girl, what is that? So anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll throw a time lapse on of me painting these, and I might show you my process for like mixing color and stuff like that too, but this is where I'm at for now. Don't mind my appearance. I don't know, I just wanted my hair off my neck for a little bit, but anyways, I ate some dinner and set up my little painting station, which is literally just me on the couch. And I am gonna throw on a movie. Chris ran to QT to grab a sody, so while he's out, I wanted to film this really quick. I am gonna show you guys all the stuff that I like to use. I keep it cheap as fuck. Everything I get is from Walmart, even my canvases, so, you know, it just is what it is, but it works great for me. So I have my extra canvases right there. I laid down some paper towels because I do not want any paint to get onto my coffee table, but I have a paper towel to wipe my brushes off with. This palette, as you can tell, has been used many times. This is our old cup that we always put our paint water into. Then we have a whole giant cup of paintbrushes. A lot of these are crusty dusty, not gonna lie. We could probably use to upgrade these for show, but you know, we have a lot of them, I will say that much. And these are all the paints we have. These are literally like the cheap ass tubes from Walmart. Like, they require a few layers, but I think that they're honestly pretty decent. Like, they're obviously not high quality paints, but they work for just, you know, what I'm doing. You know, I don't claim to be like a professional painter or anything like that, but I do it as kind of like a little side thing, a little hobby, and if people are kind enough to want me to paint a picture of their pet, like, holy shit, I am so honored. So yeah, we get the big tubes of the black and white just because we use a lot of that, but I'm gonna mix up some colors here, and we're gonna throw on a time lapse, and I'm just gonna get in my zone. For both of these, I'm gonna be able to use a lot of the same colors. The most custom ones are probably gonna be the colors for the cats themselves, but I like to kind of mix my greens a little bit and mix a good wall and like base color, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think for both of these, I'm gonna do somewhat neutral colors for like the backgrounds, but like I said, I want to mix up my greens and I'll eventually mix up the colors for the cats. I like to kind of work from like the background up, so the first thing I'll paint is gonna be like the wall, the floor, probably the window, then the plant, and then do the cats last. I need to do a blue for the windows. I think what I'm gonna do for that is just gonna be, this is my favorite, the Tuscan teal mixed with white makes such a pretty blue for the sky. Hello? And then for greens, I have mush green. Mush? What the fuck? For greens, I have marsh green, and I have the mountain forest. This one's satin though, so I don't think I should use that. I think I'm just gonna stick with marsh green and just make a couple different. Actually, each of these only has one plant. I think I can get away with just doing like one green. I need to double check with my friend and see what her preferred colors are again, but a lot of the people that I paint for have pretty similar taste to me. I'm also just gonna squirt out just a little bit of this barn red. Well, that was a lot, but I'm gonna do a light purple. I don't want to go too dark with these. And then we definitely need a good tan. I think I will use khaki. I'll have to go, oh, I also have beachcomber beige. That's a really pretty color. Oh, that's gloss though. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do the khaki. then my favorite like cream color is either antique white or, oh my gosh, I have so many of the same colors. And then, you know, you gotta take a little spatula to mix your colors together nicely. Good morning, friends. So I never showed you guys the finished paintings last night. Now, one of them is done and I'm gonna get it shipped out hopefully today. And then the other one, I might add to it, I don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, it's not that bad. But last night I was like, it just wasn't hitting for me. I felt like it was like missing something. So I don't know, I might add something more to it, but I also don't wanna fuck it up, so let me just go ahead and show you guys. So this is the one that I did for my dad, my stepmom, and my brother, all technically. I think it's actually really cute. I definitely feel like it's very simple and I could totally add something more to it, but like it's not bad. I might add something either outside of the window, maybe add like some curtains. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like it's a little too plain, but it's very cute nonetheless. And then this is the one that I did for a friend. I think this one turned out so fucking cute. I love the lights around the windows. And I put all the little crystals on the windowsill with the kitties. And I don't know, I tried to keep this one really simple too, but like, I think it turned out really cute. And I already posted this on TikTok and she loved it. She said it looks just like her cats. So I'm very excited. I'm really happy she likes it. Those are the paintings. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm always that bitch that sits down and does it like all in one sitting. I can't help myself. Like if I'm gonna get started, I'm gonna finish. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm looking rough. I literally just woke up, you guys. I haven't done anything yet, but I am about to take a shower because I feel greasy. I need to ship that painting. I need to package it up. I have to ship it to Canada, so I'm a little nervous. I've never shipped to Canada before, but I'll figure it out. It'll be fine. I think we'll go ahead and run out, grab a coffee. I need to ship this painting and I need to pick up a roll of film because I finally finished my roll of film in this video, as you guys saw. If you guys want to see all of the photos from that, make sure you subscribe to my Patreon because anytime that I finish a roll of film, I upload the entire thing on there, which is really exciting because I only ever post like my favorite photos on Instagram. Like most of the time I do not post anywhere near the full roll on Instagram. So if you guys want to see all of my film photos, definitely subscribe on there. Now, I will say I don't shoot a lot of film anymore because I just don't shoot that much in general. Like, if I'm gonna take a picture, I just, like, whip out my phone really quick because film is so expensive now. But, yeah, I'm just never, like, super motivated, and it will sometimes take me months to finish a roll of film. If I go too long without posting film on there, I might start posting, like, some older rolls and stuff like that, but yeah. Anyways, that's about all we have going on for today, so I'm gonna go shower now.